Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we have the new Power Burn by Rowdy Energy Pink Lemonade flavor. Alright, so this should be pretty interesting. Yeah, so we got ourselves 5 calories in the important factoids. We got ourselves 40 milligrams of sodium. We got 2 grams of carbohydrate. We also got 424 milligrams of potassium, 10.8 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.9 milligrams of niacin, 0.2 milligrams of B6, 0.29 micrograms of B12, and 38 milligrams of magnesium. And we're getting this from the green tea and green coffee bean extract. 160 milligrams of caffeine.
Oh, wow.
With the power to burn. Yep, with the power to burn 135 calories. Smells good. Ooh.
So if you poured it over like pink sherbet, but only 130 calories of pink sherbet, would it be like you didn't even have sherbet?
So you would only had 8 calories or 5 calories then?
Yeah.
Had pretty good. Nice tongue cleansing. Heavy on the lemonade, light on the pink.
Yeah. Nothing quite like a Rowdy. In a good way.
Yep.
Yeah, how do you do that?
I had no idea, but that is a great taste. I'm interested to see how the 135 calories works.
Yeah. I mean, unfortunately, we're only going to burn 65 a piece now.
Yeah.
Thereabouts.
We're already working, so with the added workout and drinking it with that increase, yeah, I have no idea how that works. Let's see, the Power Burn is the next generation multifunctional beverage that can help you stay energized and empowered to fuel your fire. Nice. We pair natural caffeine with other proven thermogenic ingredients to help you burn up to 135 calories. Wow. Interesting.
Quite, yeah.
Based on clinical proven levels of ingredients.
Okay.
It also manufactured in the US of A. Like that. Cool.
I think it's impressive.
Tasty. And only 5 calories in there too, and only 2 grams of carbohydrates. So that's pretty good.
Cool. R on the front of it.
Yeah, Rowdy R. So,
that's cool.
Anyways, that's pretty good. I'd probably say, almost need some ice cubes. And maybe if you mix it in with some real lemonade too,
That's true.
that might help. But yeah, I'd say probably SRT 92 because I mean, for what it is, tastes really good. Has a nice cleansing palate, a little bit of that soda bubble to help clean out your throat on a hard, dusty day, which is very helpful.
It's neat as a company too that they're advancing the product, not just
yeah, that's not sitting.
Right.
Yeah, they're coming out with new stuff.
Flavors, but coming out with different types of energy drinks, and I love the natural sources of caffeine too. So
yep, and it's definitely nice and clean tasting. Yeah, definitely nice and clean tasting. So like that. So.
It doesn't leave a weird aftertaste. It's not super syrupy.
Yeah.
It's only 5 calories.
Only 5. So I like
cool.
it. Yep. So check it out. Get yourself some Rowdy Bush energy drink, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.